Today, we're going to a Venezuelan restaurant with family, and we will be eating meatless meals. Some of us. So we're going to show you what some of those meatless meals look like. Hello everyone! Would you like a weekly boost of plant-based inspiration? Be sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of the good videos I've got coming for you. Arepitas was created by two Venezuelans who wanted to share the best of their typical and delicious cuisine, cooking everything from scratch with the best quality and fresh ingredients. Arepitas is a bit of Venezuela full of flavors and emotions. One of the menu items that Arepitas is known for would be their arepas. Arepas are a South American staple, particularly in Colombia and Venezuela. Arepas are stuffed corn milk cakes that are crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside, and are quite delicious, I might add. One of the things I love so dearly about Arepitas is their awareness of the vegetarian and vegan lifestyles. They are extremely accommodating. Almost all of their dishes can be made meatless. When you tell any of the staff that you want your meal made vegan, they know exactly what you mean. Check out these reviews from my local vegan group. All of these meals were made vegan, especially by Arepitas. You can't tell me this food doesn't look amazing. Tell me what these are.
A different one.
It's like almost like a mozzarella cheese.
Oh, much more than that.
Yeah, no, I know. I said like. And it's wrapped in a pastry, and you dip it in the sauce.
Awesome. And what are they called?
Tequeños.
Tequeños.
Tequeños. You had it last time, and you complained that they were too plain. You're like, that's why you dip it in the sauce. The most difficult thing in there is probably ketchup. Can you handle ketchup? Oh, what? Really? Don't be a gringa. Huh? Ay, por
favor. Take a bite. Just do it.
Right here?
Me. Thank you. Thank you.
Right here.
Yeah. And the hairy. Or the gentle.
Arepitas ripens their plantains at the best temperature for greater freshness and quality. They never disappoint. One of my favorite meatless meals from Arepitas is the vegetarian arepa. It comes with cheese that can be removed, of course, sweet plantains, avocado, and cabbage. The vegetarian bowl is a bed of rice topped with sauteed onions and red bell peppers, baby bella mushrooms, mixed salad greens, red cabbage with carrots, garlic sauce, cheese, avocado, and cilantro. Here's what I had, the tostones. It's green plantain chips, cabbage, fresh cheese, avocado, and house sauces. Now I'm going to show you how you can order a meatless meal at any restaurant you go to. You can eat vegetarian style anywhere these days, and beans are a great and filling swap for meat. Different types of beans can be found at a lot of different styles of restaurants. Rice is a fabulous alternative to meat. You can find this at so many places, and it's good and starchy and will give you lots of energy that you need. Potatoes are an excellent alternative and can truly sustain you. You can nearly find potatoes of every kind in restaurants, whether that be mashed, boiled, sauteed, or in a good old French fry form. Fries and potato wedges, especially a double serving, are a great way to fill yourself up. And now for my personal favorite, simply ask for a veggie plate. The best way to go is to order a plate full of sides. It's normally offered as an option at a lot of places. You can try combinations like a sweet potato with steamed veggies and rice. Doesn't that sound so good and filling? You have to give it a try. Eating a meatless meal can look a lot of different ways. It gives you a chance to be creative and try something different. Did you know eating meatless meals could fatten up your wallet? Meatless meals are built around beans, veggies, and grains, which are significantly less expensive than buying animal protein products. Giving up meat once a week is also good for Mother Earth. We save way more water because there's way less water needed to produce 1 pound of veggies versus livestock. Meatless meals can also help you lose weight. Filling up on more plant-based foods and balancing them with the right amount of protein and healthy fat is a recipe for weight loss success. If you want to buy me a coffee, here's the website where you can do just that. Thank you for the support. Be sure to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of my plant-based inspiration.